Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your name on the Zara app using your phone. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, download the Zara app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone and make sure you are already logged into your account. After you are logged in, this is the interface you will see in the app. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Next up, here you can see the profile section. Tap on it. Here you can see all of your profile details. You will see your name, email and other details. So in order to change your name, here you cannot tap on your name, so tap on addresses. You will see your name along with your address and your phone number. Here you can see the three dots icon right beside it. Tap on it. Now select edit. Now you can modify your name, your last name, your address, everything. So I'm just gonna update my name for now. Tap on the name field. Enter the name you want to change to. Once you are done, you can see the save button at the bottom. Tap on it. And that's it. Your name is now updated in Zara account. And if you go to your profile again, here you can see your name is successfully changed. So that's it. You've successfully changed your name on your Zara account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.